Now, properties for the conditional probability. Now, let A, B and C be any three events associated with a random experiment. Now we are having here few properties which are going to apply while doing the questions. Now what the properties or what the results are? Now property number 1, property 1, what property 1 says? Property 1 says that 0 is less than is equal to probability for A oblique B is less than is equal to 1. So always we will be having probability for A oblique B either 1 or less than 1 up to 0. provided probability of B is not equal to 0. First thing. Now property 2. Property 2 is probability for B oblique B. This is always equal to 1. Okay. So B oblique B, basically what it means, B and B, probability for B and B divided by probability of B. So it will always be equal to 1 provided probability of B is not equal to 0. Now property 3. Property 3 says that probability for A union B means A or B, probability for A or B oblique probability for C. Probability for A or B oblique C is equal to, now this is probability for A oblique C plus probability for B oblique C minus probability for A and B divided by C. Now here provided probability for C is not equal to 0. And one more thing, if A and B are the disjoint sets, I am just going to write it. If A and B are disjoint sets, then probability for A or B oblique C will be equal to probability of A oblique C plus probability of B oblique C, where probability of C is not equal to 0. And property number 4. No, property 4 is probability for A naught oblique B. Now this will be equal to 1 minus probability for A oblique B, provided probability of B is not equal to 0. So these are the 4 properties which we are going to cover in our topic.